This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 109, but stage 28. No, it's the other way around. It's something like that. It's stage 109 of the Eleanor build, but this time we're going to start off looking at the magazine, because this is the short build of the month. So yes, we're almost finished. We're almost done. We're finishing the main thing. We did this last time, or rather the time before. We put the shell on, plugged it all in. I haven't tested it. I will do that next time. Then we put the final back bit in, the rear body balance. Then this time we are fitting the final bumper and number plate, and that's basically finishing the rear end. And then next time we've got the final side panels. What are they calling them? Just calls them side panels, doesn't it? Side skirts, there we go, and tailpipes. So we're fitting the two skirts, and that will be the car finished. But there is more to build afterwards, which we'll have a look at towards the end. Eleanor gains a few tons. Gone in 6 seconds. 2. Was there a 2? Or was this the 2? I'm lost now. I don't know. 18-wheeler. Yep. Cars can fly. Jump sequence. Live action and computer-generated graphics. Yeah, there we go. That's that. The behind the scenes of the original movie. There, if you want to pause and read it. And we've got the last few, I think. Oh, the Cars from Women's Names from 1974 film. We've got Sandy and Lorna. Intermechanica. Don't know that brand. But there we go. If you want to read all about that, feel free. The 2009 Ford Mustang Locaca, 45th anniversary edition. Don't know about that. So yes, next time, continuing your collection, we are finished with the car, but we're not finished with the scene. We have a 4-post garage lift that we've got. I think we've got a couple of parts for it in this pack. But yeah, basically, it will hold the car up. It's not motorized, but it does have lights in it, I believe. Yeah, 4 small LED lights in the corner of the ramp and a workshop touch. So yeah, it will enable me to have Eleanor displayed above another car. I've got other 1.8 cars that I've been building, so quite nicely to put that above. I can put it above Kit, or I don't think it will fit above Ecto 1. That's a bit bigger, but yeah, maybe the Dodge Charger will sit underneath there quite nicely. But that is that. So let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get the final bit of the car. Not the final bit of the car, the final bit of the rear, the bumper put on, and then we'll get on with that next time. So, see you in a moment. Right, so the final piece of the back end is a plastic bumper piece, which just pushes in place. But first of all, we've got to fit the number plate, which we need 2 tiny screws for. Very tiny screws. I'm going to have to find my tiny screwdriver for those, because that's smaller than the ones I've got out at the moment. So this fits onto the rear with the 2 screws, and then the bumper pushes in place. So let me get the number plate attached first, and then we'll see about putting that on. I should be able to do that from any angle, so I should be able to film putting that on. So let me get that done, and I'll see you in just a sec. Okay, there's the number plate fitted, and then this simply has to push in place in 4 little pins. And we'll line up perfectly with everything else. A bit like that. we go. I need to push that home a little bit better on one side, but that's that done. And now looking pretty good. So that's mostly finished. We've just got the side panels to do next time. So for now, another issue is done. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you more for soon. I shall see you soon for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.